How to download DaVinci Resolve for free. Full guide. In this video, I'll show you how to download DaVinci Resolve for free step by step. DaVinci Resolve is a professional video editing software used for editing, color grading, visual effects, and audio production. The best part is you can download and use the free version legally from the official website. First, open your web browser and go to the official website of Blackmagic Design. On the homepage, you will see two versions, DaVinci Resolve Free and DaVinci Resolve Studio Paid. Click on Download under the free version of DaVinci Resolve. Now choose your operating system. Select Windows, Mac, or Linux, depending on what you are using. A small form will appear asking for basic details like your name and email. Fill in the information and click Register and Download. The installer file will now start downloading to your computer. You do not need a credit card or payment to use the free version. That's it. That's how you can download DaVinci Resolve for free and install it on your PC or Mac. If this video helped you, leave a comment below, like the video, share it, and subscribe for more video editing and computer tutorials.